Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 without DVD ROM or USB flash drive. So this procedure is very simple. All you need to do is to have a empty drive where you can install your Windows 10. But first you need to download the Windows 10 ISO file. But I have copied my own from a DVD drive. So here is the folder which I copied the file. If I open the folder, here you will see the ISO file. So first, before that, click on computer, right click, click on manage, click on match, and this will pop up. Click on disk management in order to create a new partition. Here you can see, select the drive that you want to partition. For me, I will select this one. Then right click, click on shrink volume. Then here, select the amount of space that you want to create. I'm going to type in 5000, which is 5 gig. Click on shrink. So as you can see, we have created a new partition. First click on it, right click, because we need to activate the partition. Click on new simple volume, click on next, next. You can give your partition a name. So I'm going to name my own Windows 10. Click on next, finish. Then after that, allow it to format. After formatting, we need to activate it. So click on it, right click, click on mark partition as active. Click yes. When it's done, and let's close this. As you can see, here is the partition. Then open your file, copy all, to the new partition, paste. So I'm going to forward this video. After copying, I will be right back. So once you are done moving the file into the new partition, as you can see, my own partition, here is the file. Then you need to restart your system. But guys, before that, I'm going to show you that I'm using Windows 8. So here is my Windows 8. So I'm going to install Windows 10. Then let me restart my system. So this will pop up. Then you need to click on Shift F10. Then command prompt will show up. Then type disk path. Enter. Then type list. Then type list disk. Click enter. Then type select disk 0. Click enter. Type list partition. List. partition. Click enter. Then choose any partition. I'm going to choose partition 1. Then select partition 1. Select one. Click enter. Type active. Enter. Type exit. Enter and exit, and continue your installation process. So guys, I'm going to fast forward this installation process. After that, I'll be back. So guys, our Windows 10 is ready. So I hope you like this video. You can like or dislike. Please, if you have any question, mention your deep name on the comment section below. And if you want me to make a full video on how to install a Windows software in your PC, please let me know on this comment section below.